In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a model in Perplexity AI. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with selecting the best AI model for your needs. First, you'll need to open up Perplexity AI. Make sure you have your internet browser ready and simply type in the web address for Perplexity AI. Once the web page has loaded, the next step is to log into your account. If you're new to Perplexity AI and don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process. Just supply your information as prompted, and you'll be ready to go. Having an account allows you to personalize your experience and keep track of all your interactions and model choices. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to start a new chat. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to initiate a conversation, so go ahead and click to start a new chat session. This setup means you're now ready to interact with AI models and begin exploring how they can help solve your problems or answer your questions. With your chat window ready, direct your eyes to the chat box area. Here, you'll find a model icon. This feature is your gateway to choose between different models. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. This menu contains a list of available AI models you can choose from. Each model might have different strengths, so depending on your specific need, whether it's language processing, contextual understanding, or more technical inquiries, select the model that seems best suited. This flexibility allows you to tailor the AI's performance to your particular requirements. After you've selected your preferred model from the drop-down list, you're now set to type in your prompt. This is where you can ask any question or present any task you need assistance with. Make sure your prompt is clear and concise to get the best possible response from the AI model. The AI will then process your input and provide you with an answer or execute the task you've set it. And there you have it. You've successfully chosen an AI model in Perplexity AI and are now ready to engage it with your inquiries. Keep experimenting with different models to see how each one handles your requests, and who knows what surprising insights or solutions they might offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one.